Hey guys, Kat Calm here with Studio Sweat On Demand. You asked for it, it's coming at you. This is Prime Climb 3. We are gonna switch it up. You are going to do 7 hills this time. In the first and second Prime Climbs, you did 5 hills. This time we have 7. All you're gonna need to do this workout is your bike, a great attitude, and definitely some water, because we're gonna get thirsty. Let's go get it done.
Jiggle, jiggle. My money don't jiggle.
Tap it out, just nice and light. Loosen those hips up.
It makes me wanna
rolling in the 90s here if you're tracking your cadence.
Have to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact. No
so we're gonna use the first 90 seconds just to loosen up our hips, get our blood pumping.
Red wine. Shepherd's Bush, my compact push. Notting Hill Gate, my
Take this chance to make sure your bike setup feels good. If you need to adjust anything, now's the time.
Not because it's illicit, do I have to get explicit? As a matter of fact, I sip on the yak with Big and Reese, 200 diamonds in a piece. I'm trying to get mine.
We're gonna be doing a lot of climbing today, guys. Yes. We have 7 hills on the agenda. 7.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Yay.
My money don't jiggle, jiggle. It folds. I like to see wiggle,
usually
wiggle,
when we do this workout, we have 5 climbs.
You know,
this time, we have 7 climbs.
6 feet 2 in a compact. No slack, but luckily the seats
This
go
workout
back.
is called Prime Climb.
Sipping some red,
and in the first one, the first sequel we ever did.
Really well, don't you?
Well, technically, is it a sequel if it was the first one? No. Okay, the first one we did, we went, we started at 2 minutes, like a 2-minute climb, then a 4, then a 6, then an 8, then a 10. Add some gear. Sorry, I know I'm in the middle of a story. The second one, so add some gear and slow down. The second Prime Climb, we flipped it. We started with a 10-minute climb, and I worked our way down to a 2-minute climb. Today, you're just not gonna know how long each climb is gonna be. It's gonna be a surprise. But what I will tell you is that every time the song transitions, the hill's gonna get steeper. And to simulate that, we're just gonna keep adding gear. So every time we come into a new song, you're gonna add a gear. But don't worry, I'll call it out. You don't need to remember that. So added a couple of gears, rolling about 75 RPMs here. We're getting ready to go up our first hill. You got about 30 seconds, guys. Okay? You ready for it? Shawnee's ready. Howard, you ready? Okay, so we're gonna stay at this tempo. First hill starts in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. So, the beginning of this hill is pretty steep. So we're gonna bring it up and hold it out of the saddle for the first entire 60 seconds here of hill number 1. Did you guys hear how long hill number 1 is? 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I want you to look at every hill as an individual challenge. When you get to the top, I don't want you to say I made it. I want you to say I slayed it. Okay? You gotta have that attitude. I will move you around. You're not just gonna stand here for 4 minutes. 4, 3, 2, take a seat. All right, this is where I want you to do a gear check. On a scale of 1 to 10, should be in like the high 7s here. Okay, for me, if I leave my gear here. So what should I do? Add a gear, because when I get to the top, what do I want to say? I slayed it. None of this I made it business. Okay, that feels better. And worse. But better in all the right ways. Dig it out. All right, bring it up. This time for 45 seconds. You heard the lady, that's halfway. So however long the hill is, that means that's how long you're going before you get a break. Stay with me. Come on, you're strong. Take a seat. 45 here. So for those of you that are newer to prime climb, after each hill, you get a downhill roller, a full minute between each hill. You're gonna love that. Are you attacking it, Slade? Come on. At this point, you should definitely be in that 80 to 85% range for your heart rate. All right, guys. We're very close to the top of this hill. We're gonna take the last 30 seconds, bringing it out of the saddle. Are you ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, here we go, bring it up. All right, Ursula, 20 of your best seconds to the top, let's go. You got the beat. Almost time for our first rollout. 3, 2, 1. Drop and roll.
Downhill roller.
Now, if you're gonna attack each hill, you gotta breathe through it right here. These recovery periods are just as important as the attacks. Okay? Lighten the gear and breathe. So, here's the song transition. That means we're gonna be going a little slower. Okay? So when you put that gear back on, you're gonna slow it down just a little bit. It's gonna be a little heavier. Who's curious how long this next hill is? Let's listen. They'll tell us. Start to add your gear.
3, 2, 1. 8 minutes climb.
Oh, she said 8-minute climb. Uh-oh. Here we go. We're climbing 8 minutes. No break. We got this. Power into it. Come on. Feel it. Dig it out. Dig it out. This song is called Drunk in Love. I want you drunk in love with that hill and nothing else. Just you and your climb right here. Come on. Hit, 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 hit. You feel it. We rise in 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. A solid minute. Yes, you can. Come on, smile through it. Hit, hit,
and everything alright.
hit. Power in every pedal stroke.
So fluorescent under these lights. Boy, I'm drinking. Pocket in my lot 7.
Shawnee,
I'm rubbing up.
you look good.
Call that revving.
Yeah.
Get my brain right. I'm under brown, yeah, gangsta wife. Who is she?
Come on. To the top, Anna.
From the kitchen,
Ha,
get hotter.
ha.
There have been no
4, 3, 2. Power dig in this saddle. Another minute. Yes. Our longest hill today. 10 minutes. This is our 8-minute hill. We only have one longer. Come on. We're just focusing on one hill at a time. But the thing in this hill is it's got some little rollers, little bumps coming up. To simulate those, we're gonna do some cycling jumps for 1 minute. In 3, 2, 1. Peggy's ready. Take a seat, dig it. Back up in 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Come on. Take a seat. Leave your shoulders loose. Back up in 4. Right here we rise. 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Come on.
Swerving on that big body, been surfing on this. Surfing on and it's good.
Here we go. Jump. Keep it solid. Like EJ. Yes. Come on. Hold it. 2 count jumps in 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Down, down, up, up. 2 more. There it is. 1 more.
That's halfway.
Take it down and hold. Now, all we gotta do. Come on, Peggy. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now all we gotta do to get to the top is what we did again. I see a lot of power in this room. And don't think I'm not in your room. I'm talking about your room. Creepy, right? All right, guys. 1 minute up and out. We got this. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's rise. Upper body moving from the belly button up. Only. Loose grip. But right over the front of that saddle. That's your power dig. Now, we transition songs. That means it's a little slower beat. You hear that? Hit, hit, hit. I'm gonna let you keep your gear, but only until we drop to the saddle, which will be in about 25 seconds. Oh yeah, we're starting to sweat. Give me 10 seconds. Do me a favor, match my pedal speed. Stay on it with me. We're climbing. Now take a seat. Everyone, add a little gear. Just a baby one. Ooh, the look I got from Miss Shelley over here. It said, okay, let's do that. Let's see where we are. About 70 RPMs here. Hang on. I love this track. It's got such a beautiful beat. You can march your legs to. One pedal stroke at a time. We're gonna finish with those rollers in 4, 3, 2. The quick one start. It's 2 up, 2 down. Let's go. 2 up, 2 down. Yes, you got it. 2 up, 2 down. Give me 2 more just like that. 1 more. Now hold it down for 8 counts. 3, 2, 1, jump for 8. Beautiful. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4 counts down. 3, 2, jump. Take a seat. We're so close.
3, 2, 1.
Roll it out. Beautiful. Okay. Breathe it out. Breathe it in. I wonder how long the next hill's gonna be. We're gonna do 1 more right here, okay? All right, next hill. Shortest so far. I'm gonna tell you now, it's a 2-minute attack. Yay. So go ahead and start to get that gear on. So our gear is back on. We're gonna look to catch back up to 70 RPMs. Here we go.
2 minutes.
Dig it in, dig it in. So at the end of every stretch, you gotta evaluate. Did I earn my downhill roller? Do I feel like I accomplished something big? Our 2-minute attack is pretty simple. 45 seconds in the saddle, 15 seconds out 2 times. I see that power, Howard. All right, guys, ready, set, jump. 15 seconds right here. You got it. You got it. 3, 2, 1. Show me that strong stroke. Push, pull, round and round. Let's go. Julie. Come on, me and you, sister. Really get out to the back of that pedal stroke here. Dip the toe and pull. You guys have done an 8-minute climb. This is a 2-minute climb. Woo! Power out of the saddle. In 3, 2, 1, 15 to the top. Bring it up. There you go, friends. Come on.
3, 2, 1. Downhill roller.
Roll it out. Beautiful, you guys. Here we go. Roll it out. About 50 seconds left here of your downhill roller. Any guesses on how long the next hill is? That's a good guess. Shelley guessed 10. It could be. So far, we have done 4, 8, 2. What's next? Anyone else want to guess? 3, No, she changed her mind. She was going, I don't blame you. 6. 6 is the right answer. You nailed it. I didn't even tell you guys how long each of them are. We're doing 10, 8, 6, 4.
2, 1.
Okay.
6 minutes.
All right, here we go. Gear up for this one. We're gonna actually start standing heavier. Here we go. Hit, 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 hit. So remember I said each hill was gonna get a little steeper. Hit, hit, hit. We're under 70 RPMs here. So definitely more power, more hill on this one. Hit, 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 hit. There you go. Just find a place to make your stand. Take it easy. This is how we take it easy, right? This is how we take it easy, Casey. Right here. Stay with me, Charlotte. Beautiful, you did it. Take a seat. Woo! Full minute right here. 6 minutes. At this point, what you gotta do is evaluate. Am I gonna make it? At this gear, another 4.5 minutes? If the answer is no, you gotta back some gear down. If it's easily, you gotta add some gear. I can tell you right here, I feel borderline, like my gear might be a little heavy. But I'm not gonna throw in the white towel just yet. Hang on. Okay, we're gonna do some passes. Passes, okay? 3, 2, 1, stand and press. Come on, pick up your speed. Now take a seat. Hold your speed. Come on. It's only for 30 seconds total. This is a pass. Now don't sprint so hard that you're gonna get passed right back. 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. Hold it here, but keep moving. Okay, guys, good? Now, back to tempo. In 4, 3, 2, back to tempo. From the top, here we go. All right, 3, 2, bring it up. This is where we started.
That's halfway.
That's halfway. Yay! Y'all gotta work your face muscles here. Best way to do that is to smile. Hang on. We got it. Woo!
Let's go.
No one said this would be easy. You didn't sign up for easy, did ya? No way. 20 seconds. Hit, hit, hit. Beautiful, Michelle. Get with me, Jess. Come on, boom, boom. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you were ready for this. Take a seat. Remember, your body's meant to move. Keep moving. You're doing it right. On deck, a pass. Okay? From the pass. This time, guys, there will be no slowdown. Okay? So keep that in mind. You do not want to sprint here. You just want to lightly pick up your speed. Okay? In 4, 3, 2, here we go. This time, just stay seated. Light pick up of the speed. Come to standing for 10 seconds. Here we go. Keep your speed. 3, 2, power climb in the saddle to the top. No slow down this time. 45 seconds to the top, Eileen. We got it.
But you still can. Don't even try to understand. Just find a place to make your stand. Take it easy.
Real close, real close. Ooh, ooh. 20 seconds. Are we gonna make it? Heck yes. 10 seconds. Who's ready to go downhill? With our speed, not our energy. 3, 2, 1. Woo! That was one of the hardest ones, I think. I know we got the 10-minute. It won't feel as hard as that, I don't think. Am I red zone? Is it my red zone? Is it red? Okay. Woo! What's next? So I started to tell you. 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Those are our climbs. Next one. 1 minute attack. This is your shortest hill. That's what's up. Okay. We're just gonna alternate 15 and 15 out, 15 and 15 out. Crank it. We got a song transition here. We're going even a little slower.
1.
Here we go.
1 minute attack.
So this is one where you really want to crank that dial. Gear up. Your heaviest gear of the day right here. 3, 2, 1. Power dig. Do you have a ton of gear on? Better say yes. Oh yes, I see you. 1 minute. You've done 8.
That's halfway.
Bring it up. At the end of every hill, you feel like you gave it your all, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 15 left. We're already kind of doing downhill. Come on. 5.
3, 2, 1. Downhill lower.
Woo, roll it out. Well, friends, 5 down. 5 hills down. 2 to go. You don't want to save the 10-minute hill for last, do you? Okay. If you want, we'll do it next. Okay. Shelly wants to do it next. Okay. Lift your chest nice and tall. Deep breath in. Let the hands dangle. Roll it back 3 times. Roll it forward 3 times. Start to add your gear. We're going to start at the same tempo. Attitude is! Attitude is!
2,
Everything.
10 minutes
Okay,
climb.
here we go. We're starting our ascent. Now remember, I want you within the first minute to find your gear. Something you can sustain for 10 minutes. But please, please, please remember our goal. We don't want to say we made it at the end of 10 minutes. We want to say we slayed it. Because of that, join me, my friends, out of gear. Come on. Okay, I feel better there. And by better, I mean, like, I'm gonna feel good about what I just did when I get to the top.
Gave you everything I love. You think that's something? You think that's something?
Minute 2 is gonna be out of the saddle the entire minute.
You act so different around
In
me.
3, 2, 1, here we go.
Good girl, and you know it.
Hit, hit,
I know
hit.
exactly who you could be. Oh, just hold on, we're going home.
Just hold on.
Just hold on, we're going home.
We're going home.
It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, we're going home.
I'm literally thinking right now, can I take more gear?
Just hold on, we're going home.
I think a little bit.
It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold
Yeah. You gotta think for yourself. So at this point, you should feel good. Not like you're dying, but just like you're doing something that's a little tough. Take a seat. 45 seconds here, please. Definitely feeling that gear ad, but I like it. So, there are a couple people in here who have a little bit of a locked out elbow. So, I get it. I want to do that sometimes too, but it's gonna tense up your back. So remember, a little bend is your friend. Right there. All right, guys, you can hear we're transitioning to another song. So let's bring it up and add a gear, catching up to this slower beat. You feel it? You hear it? Right there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hit, 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 hit. We sat for 45, we'll stand for 45. Woo! Reach. This is such a fun mashup. 4, 3, 2, hit your booty, 30 seconds right here. If you're thinking, I added too big a gear, tap it off. Don't just stay there. We have 6 minutes to go. Come on. You guys, we're gonna do a pass, okay? We're gonna do a pass. In 4, 3, 2, 1, pass. Push the gas pedal down, but don't floor it. For 5, 4, 3, 2, little slow down, take a seat. It's short. Back to tempo. Coming. In 3, go. Tempo. Dig in. Woo! I'll tell you this. If we were doing it out and back, we'd be about to turn around. That's a good sign. Hang on, Howard.
That's halfway.
You heard her, that's halfway. Hold on. This is our longest seated climb right here. It's a minute and a half total. Woo! Ah. this together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Bring it up. Come on, you're well over halfway up this hill. Don't look back. Nice, DJ. Yeah. Ooh, come on, Studio Sweat. Dig it out. Keys. Come on. Whoop, whoop.
Put on your
There we
red
go.
shoes and dance the
20 seconds. Drew, how you doing?
to the song they're playing on the radio.
Come on, Slade. Slade. 5, 4, 3, seated, climb. 45 seconds. Endurance. Yeah. Shelly said it's hard. Yes. Breathe through it, breathe through it, breathe through it. All right, guys. Here's what we're gonna do. Pass, seated dig, standing dig. Then we'll be to the top, okay? Peggy, ready? All right, you guys. Face muscles in action. 4, 3, 2, pass. 20-second pass right here. Seated on this one. That's 5.
Boys, a minute
That's 10.
and it's about time. Let's whip this up. Oh yeah.
Woo! Come on. 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. You get 8 counts only. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Tempo, seated.
The East Coast fam never skip the beat.
East Coast. Let's go.
Back then, plenty of friends.
West Coast. Let's go. Yes. Mexico. Let's go. Come on, Canada. UK. Dig. You're down under. Power up right here. One minute. 1 minute. Yay! Okay. Ho, 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 ho. We rise in 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Option to take it to that drop back position. Power with the glutes right here. Get low.
Nate, Mike, Sean, Juan, you know the mentality.
Watch the grip. Keep the loose. Woo. Da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Chest up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
2, 1. Down below.
Woo! Roll it out. Okay. Does anyone know which one we haven't done? She's good. Anyone else want to guess? You hear her? She's right. 3 minutes. That's all we have left. That is it. You've done a 10-minute climb. You've done an 8. You've done a 6, a 4, a 2, and a power 1. This one's not going to be too bad. Okay? But when we get to the top, I want every single one of you to say, I gave it all I could for 3 minutes. Okay? All right. So let's start to gear up. Here we go. Now this is our slowest and steepest of the day. So crank that dial. That's why we want to start it standing. Now dig left, 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 right, left. We're all the way down in the low 60s here. Three, two, one. Take a seat. 30 here. I think you're gonna like this. We got our little rollers next. Just our little rollers. To simulate our rollers, all we do, 4 count jumps. We'll go in for 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Up for 3, 2. Down for 4 right here. Come on up. Can see the light at the end of the beautiful tunnel here. Jumping. We're down for 4, 3, 2. Jump. And down. And jump.
Let's have this.
Now repeat that. 30 seconds seated, 30 seconds standing, 30 seconds rollers. Kissing goodbye. Go, go, go. Come on, Howard. You got it, Jessica. Come on, Olga. Go, go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Peggy's got her own timer. Out of gear.
You make me feel so young.
Do you guys feel so young?
You make me feel so spring has
Come on.
sprung. And every time I see you grin,
Woo!
I'm such a happy
You look so young.
individual.
4,
The moment
3,
that you
2.
speak,
2 count movements down.
I wanna go
2,
play
jump.
hide and seek.
2, out of gear if you did not
I
already.
wanna go and
Come on.
bounce the moon just like a toy balloon.
And
You and
woo!
I are just
This
like
right
a
here
couple of tots
is what makes you young.
running across
Come
the
on.
meadows, picking up lots of
5
forget-me-nots.
seconds.
You
1,
make me feel so young.
3.
2,
You
1.
make me feel there are songs to be sung, bells to be
That
rung, and a
very
wonderful
well
fling to be flung.
Might have been the hardest one
And even when I'm old and gray,
of all the prime times.
I'm gonna feel the way I do.
And you did it.
today.
You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it.
So young,
Beautiful, you guys. So did we get a good workout?
make me feel so young.
Okay,
You make
we're gonna
me
do a
feel
tiny baby
so
stretch.
spring has
Sorry we went
sprung.
over. Hang on with me, guys, at home. So let's just do quads
Such a happy
and hamstrings.
individual. The moment that you speak, I wanna go
Now look.
play hide and seek.
And you can leave this in there.
I wanna
For
go
those of you that have time,
and bounce the moon
I'm gonna be
just
doing like a
toy
nice
balloon.
12-minute stretch. If you wanna stay with me. Okay, yes. So,
Ah, just like a couple
now those of you
of
taking this
tots
class from home, that's not gonna be included. You're gonna get this and the quads, that's it. So make sure you cool down and stretch on your own. You can see this, we're gonna film this one. We're gonna film this stretch. It'll be dropped in the library a little later. It's gonna be called Flexibility for Those That Are Flexibly Challenged. Okay, let's go to the other side. We have one out there, and it gets played so often in our class library online that I thought we better do another one. So if you have time, hang out. We'll get right to it. Bring that leg up.
Feel so young. You make me feel so young. Ooh, you make me
Good, hold this
feel
for as
so
long as you
young.
want, but I have to sign off, so check this one off. You're done.
Money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see wiggle wiggle, for show. It makes me wanna dribble dribble, you know. Riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6 feet 2